Good afternoon, this is Deines with your midday grain comments for Wednesday, December 30th. Today on the Chicago Board of Trade, we've got corn trading down 3, beans up 3, and wheat down 5. We saw a little bit of a late rally on Tuesday, most of which was attributed to funds and traders getting some positioning on ahead of the end of the year here. The Commitment of Traders report confirmed that these funds have really returned to a sizable short position in the grain market, so we'll continue to see that and probably some repositioning ahead of the end of the year here as we run out of time for the markets to be trading. Early today we are hearing some news about a drier forecast for the Mato Grosso region over the 3 to 5 day, and that's really initially helped support the bean market overnight and into today as beans continue to trade higher. And really other than that, we lack a whole lot of fundamental news to really direct the market in the short term here. There's a little bit of news floating around, obviously, as many people have heard, regarding the Mississippi, which is expected to reach its peak late today or early tomorrow. We do have a portion of the Mississippi which is closed for 5 miles due to flooding, and there is some potential that we will see it crest at higher levels than the Great Flood of 1993, which was at 49.6 feet. So it's something that we're going to have to stay in tune to here. Not really affecting the markets a whole lot just yet. Locally, it's affecting more of the basis markets, with certain marketplaces unable to load out currently due to the high river levels. We also hearing some news this morning about wheat, as we've seen concern for winter kill in regions of Russia due to lack of snow cover. Again, we've got wheat down 5 today, so it is something to stay in tune to, but overall not providing a lot of fundamental direction to the markets. And really that tends to be the story, as we don't see anything creating a significant sustainable impact on the market at this time. Not really a lot of fundamental support or enough of a concern with some of these issues on flooding and winter kill and dry weather to really have a large impact here. So for the most part, it's going to be very difficult to find bullish news, especially in this supply-led market that we're in, and with very little fundamental support to the demand side. We're really going to be hanging on to a lot of just trade back and forth, pretty choppy until we get to the January 12th crop report that's going to be coming up here. So as we move forward this week and into the early part of January, continue to expect some two-sided trade for soybeans. Corn is obviously likely going to continue to test the contract lows. We do have some resistance at that 355 level, and if we close below that, we potentially could even look at that next level of 318, which was the low that we put in back in October of 2014. So we may see some opportunity for the corn contract to test some of those lows here as we move forward, and again until we really get a lot of fresh fundamental news. So the markets will continue to trade through tomorrow, close at regular hours, and then will remain closed until 7 p.m. Central Time on Sunday evening when they will reopen. So they will be observing the New Year's holiday. That's what we've got for today. We hope you all have a great New Year's, and we'll be back to check in with you tomorrow.